Apple first mid-range smartphone in 2020. Hey, what's up guys? Trix is here, and you guys might wondering why I'm sitting right here. So I just finished my setup is right here. I'm not gonna show you guys right now because I'm gonna do a separate video on that, and once we reach 20k subscribers I'll do a room tour slash setup tour. So yeah, so make sure you guys subscribe. Now let's talk about the iPhone SE 2. So the iPhone SE 2, Apple long-awaited smartphone, is finally released. So this phone was, I think it was 2 years ago that everyone was saying like this phone's gonna be out, this phone's gonna be out, this phone's gonna be out. But finally, right now, they just released the iPhone SE 2. So let's talk about this phone. This phone has A15 Bionic chip, and the A15 Bionic chip include on iPhone 11s, which is iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, and also 11 Pro Max. Moving on to the RAM, this phone has 3 gigs of RAM, and I think last time I see 3 gigs of RAM from Apple, it was last year. iPhone XR had 3 gigs of RAM. So I think it's not good for a smartphone in 2020. Alright, while we talk about the RAM, let's move on to the storage. This phone has 64 gigs of baseline storage, and then also you can also get another options like 128 and also 258 gigs of RAM. Now let's talk about the design. This phone has 4.7-inch display, and the design is literally same as iPhone 8. Guys, you won't believe it, but when I started this channel I was like, this phone's gonna be the phone that I want to buy, because I thought this phone will have whole bench display or under the display camera or in under display fingerprint, but no, Apple decided to just change the iPhone 8 logo and put it on the bottom and change some internal stuff and name it iPhone SE 2020. I know that's not bad design, but iPhone 8 looks old in 2020 because it was released on September 2017, so 3 years ago, and Apple just goes with that design. Please Apple, give us some color options. Come on Apple. Now let's talk about the pricing. This phone costs $399 for 64 gigs of storage. So is really Apple aiming for mid-range smartphone? I would say yes, because this is the first mid-range smartphone in 2020 that Apple is releasing. And there are two questions about this. First, should I buy this phone? I would say yes for the people that are in Apple ecosystem, like they have MacBook, iPad, these kind of stuff, HomePod, and they have iPhone 6. I can't imagine if someone has iPhone XR and they're saying like, I will buy the new iPhone SE 2. I'm gonna be like, are you crazy, bro? That's downgrade, that's not upgrade. Please don't do that, please. Okay, so the second question is that can you find a better smartphone for $399? Yes, you can find a better option, like not from Apple, from other companies like Samsung. Here's the first option that I would recommend for everyone to buy. So for $287 you can get the Samsung Galaxy A51 with 128 gigs of storage. This phone has 6 gigs of RAM, it has whole pen design, 128 gigs of internal storage, and also has 4 cameras on the back. This phone has 6.5-inch AMOLED display, and it will look way better than iPhone SE 2. Just compare these two and look at the price options. So yeah, that's all for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'm out. Peace.